Well, what episode is it then, huh? Yeah, I can tell you really miss me. Yeah. This is just great. I feel so valued and I really feel missed. Well, they can't hear me anymore because I've been walking for a while. So I guess